The 2026 BYD Motorhome emerges as a landmark achievement in the recreational vehicle sector, effectively bridging the gap between high-end sustainable living and rugged long-distance capability. Built on the robust Shark pickup chassis, this vehicle represents a significant shift for BYD as it applies its world-leading battery expertise to the nomadic lifestyle. The exterior immediately commands attention with a spaceship-like aesthetic, featuring aerodynamic curves that are as much about efficiency as they are about modern style. Performance is anchored by a sophisticated dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers an impressive output of approximately 430 to 500 horsepower. This power ensures that despite its substantial size, the motorhome moves with a level of agility and confidence rarely seen in traditional diesel-guzzling RVs. The integration of the proprietary Blade battery technology provides a foundation of safety and energy density, allowing for a pure electric range of about 100 miles for silent, zero-emission local travel. For those venturing far beyond city limits, the hybrid powertrain utilizes a 1.5-liter turbocharged generator engine that extends the total driving range to a staggering 600 miles. This plug-in hybrid approach solves the range anxiety typically associated with large electric vehicles while maintaining the smooth, quiet drive of an EV. The transition between electric and gasoline power is handled seamlessly by an intelligent management system, prioritizing efficiency based on real-time driving conditions. Charging the 2026 model is remarkably fast, with the ability to go from 10% to 80% capacity in roughly 25 minutes at compatible fast charging stations. This rapid turnaround time is a game changer for road trippers who want to minimize downtime. Additionally, the vehicle features regenerative braking, which captures energy during deceleration to feed back into the battery, further optimizing every mile traveled during mountain descents or stop-and-go traffic. The roof of the motorhome is a powerhouse in its own right, equipped with high-efficiency integrated solar panels. These panels support off-grid living by charging the onboard battery system, ensuring that lighting, climate control, and appliances remain functional even in remote wilderness locations. This commitment to self-sufficiency is a major draw for the modern digital nomad who requires consistent power for work and leisure without relying on noisy external generators. Steering and safety have been elevated through the inclusion of Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. This advanced suite of sensors and software allows for reduced driver fatigue during long highway stretches, handling lane keeping and adaptive cruise control with precision. The cockpit itself is dominated by a massive rotating infotainment display running the D-Link operating system, which provides a centralized hub for navigation, energy monitoring, and vehicle diagnostics. Inside, the living quarters feel less like a vehicle and more like a rolling penthouse or a high-end condominium. BYD has utilized sustainable, premium materials such as plant-based leather and bamboo cabinetry to create an environment that is both eco-conscious and luxurious. Large panoramic windows wrap around the living area, flooding the space with natural light and providing immersive views of the surrounding landscape while maintaining thermal insulation. The kitchen is a marvel of compact engineering, featuring a high-output induction cooktop, a full-sized refrigerator, and a convection microwave. Because the vehicle operates on a high-voltage electric architecture, these appliances perform with the same speed and reliability as those in a stationary home. The dining area is designed with a U-shaped seating arrangement that easily converts into additional sleeping space, making it highly adaptable for families or groups. The primary sleeping quarters offer a sanctuary of comfort, centered around a fold-down queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress. Smart storage solutions are tucked into every available corner, from under-bed compartments to sleek overhead lockers, ensuring the cabin remains clutter-free. Integrated ambient lighting can be adjusted via voice commands or a smartphone app to set the mood for rest or evening entertainment. The bathroom, often a point of compromise in RVs, is designed as a spa-inspired wet bath. It includes a high-pressure shower, a modern toilet, and even heated flooring in some trim levels, providing a touch of luxury in the morning. The water system is managed by an intelligent monitoring panel that provides real-time data on fresh and gray water levels, preventing any surprises during extended stays away from hookups. Connectivity is a core pillar of the 2026 experience, with built-in 5G hardware and satellite internet capabilities. This ensures that even when parked in a national park, users can stream 8K content on the internal projector or participate in high-bandwidth video calls. The motorhome effectively functions as a mobile office, catering to the growing demographic of remote workers who refuse to be tethered to a traditional desk. Safety reaches beyond the driving systems to include a 360-degree camera array that acts as both a parking aid and a security system. Users can monitor the perimeter of their motorhome from their smartphone, providing peace of mind when sleeping in unfamiliar locations. The body-on-frame construction provides a rigid safety cage, while multiple airbags and advanced collision avoidance systems protect all occupants during transit. Climate control is handled by a high-efficiency heat pump system that is significantly quieter and more effective than traditional rooftop AC units. This system can be pre-conditioned remotely, allowing owners to cool or warm the interior before they even step inside. Because it is powered by the massive traction battery, the climate control can run for days on end without the need for the engine to kick in, a luxury few competitors can match. The exterior practicality is rounded out by lockable, pass-through, storage compartments and an illuminated front grille that serves as a signature design element. Expandable slide-outs significantly increase the interior square footage when parked, creating a sprawling floor plan that rivals much larger, more cumbersome Class A motorhomes. The 28-foot length remains manageable for most drivers while offering the interior volume of a much larger footprint. With an estimated starting price of approximately $180,000, the BYD Motorhome positions itself as a premium yet attainable entry into the future of travel. It successfully addresses the three major hurdles of electric RVing: range, charging speed, and power for amenities. BYD has not just built a vehicle, they have crafted a self-contained ecosystem that encourages exploration without the environmental guilt or mechanical limitations of the past. Ultimately, the 2026 BYD Motorhome stands as a testament to how far electric mobility has come. It offers a seamless blend of rugged utility and sophisticated technology, making it perhaps the most versatile recreational vehicle on the market today. For those looking to redefine their relationship with the road, this motorhome provides the tools, the power, and the comfort to do so without compromise.